My dear student, welcome to School of Fundamental Sciences, SOFS. I deliver some fundamental concepts of physics, chemistry and mathematics for JEE Main and JEE Advanced. It will give me great pleasure if you enjoy these concepts. My dear student, next application of area connecting change in velocity. First one, area connecting change in displacement or total displacement. Here, area connecting change in velocity. Now you see, we know the small change in velocity dv is equal to adt because acceleration we know dv dt, so dv is equal to adt. Now if we consider acceleration versus time graph, so what is adt? You see again dt is the small width, a is the height of the deep shaded strip, then adt is the what? Area of the deep shaded strip. Now if we integrate both sides, we will have what? Integration of dv vi to va equals to v final minus v initial equals to integration of adt, that is area of adt is the what? Area of the deep shaded strip, and integrating from ti to tf, that is the deep shaded strip will move from ti to tf, thereby giving the what? Area of the total shaded region, and this will give the what? Change in velocity. So change in velocity equals to what? Integration of adt t initial to t final. That means the area enclosed by acceleration versus time graph with the t-axis. It gives us change in velocity. SP25 you see, it is acceleration versus time graph. It is a straight line given in the problem. Particle starts moving along the straight line from rest, and its acceleration versus time graph is given here. Now we have to find the maximum speed of the particle. First method, graphical concept. Already explained, you see, if we consider the deep shaded strip, this is the height of the strip, that is called A, acceleration A, and dt is the width of the strip. So adt is the what? Area of this strip. So you see, A is equal to dv dt, so dv is equal to adt. So dv is equal to adt. Adt is the what? Area of the deep shaded strip. So if we integrate dv, integrate dv is equal to integrate adt. Now t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 11 second. Why you have considered 11 second? Now when t is equal to 0, acceleration is equal to 10 meter per second square. When t is equal to 0, acceleration 10 meter per second square. And you see, then v is equal to 0 because it is given that particle starts from rest. Now it requires the maximum speed. So the particle is accelerated from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 11. Up to 11 seconds the particle is accelerated, you see. But the acceleration is gradually decreasing. As t increases, acceleration gradually decreases. Be careful. That is, initially acceleration is 10 meter per second square, and at 11 seconds the acceleration is 0. And during this time interval, velocity increases, but increases in the decreasing rate. So once the time t equals to 11 seconds, it will have maximum velocity, because the increasing velocity, the velocity will be increases up to t is equal to 11 seconds. So when t is equal to 11 seconds, acceleration becoming 0, and the velocity will be maximum. V is equal to V max. Now here you see, integration of v is equal to v max minus 0, that is v max. And what is this one? Area of this triangle. adt is the what? Area of the deep shaded strip. And integration of adt from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 11 second means what? The strip will move from this to this, that is area of the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Half into OA into OB, base into height. Now what is the OA? Again, be careful. Always final 11 second minus 0 second, that is 11 second, into what is height plus 10 meter per second square. So 55 meter per second square is the maximum velocity of the particle. Now also you see the analytical concept. Now you see, it is equation of a straight line. So we know intercept form. You see, it is an intercept form. It is we can, from coordinate geometry, we can make the equation of the straight line by intercept form. Why? How? T by 11 plus a by 10 is equal to 1, intersect from x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So t by 11, obviously I will write dimension also, t by 11 second plus a by 10 meter per second square is equal to 1. That I have written here. It is the equation of the straight line given in the graph, given in the figure. Now what is acceleration? Acceleration, just rearrange. Acceleration equals to this. Yes. Now what is acceleration? dv dt is equal to this one. It is differential. It is step 1 differential equation is made. Now separate the variable. dv is equal to the transfer dt here. So dv is equal to this dt. Function of t dt is equal to dv. Step 2 variable separated. Now ready for integration. So integration dv is equal to 10 meter per second square constant taken out. 1 minus t by 11 second dt. When t 0, velocity 0 given in the problem. Already explained. When t is equal to 11 second, acceleration dies down to 0 and velocity must be maximum. So v is equal to maximum. So again v max minus 0 v max 10. Integrate t minus t square by 2. T minus t square by 2 into 11 second. Upper limit 11 second, lower limit 0. So put 11 second. Here t, first t take common. T is taken out. So 1 minus t by this. Upper minus upper and lower. Then 10 meter per second square. T is equal to 11 second. Then put 11 second. So 1 minus 11 second. T is equal to 11 second. 1 minus 11 second by 2 into 11 second. Minus 0. So no need to write 0 here. Minus this. Minus 0. This one. And then calculate. It will be 555 meter per second.